Chapter 6. Word 2019. What you'll learn. Exploring the Word 2019 environment. Creating a document and saving it. Word 2019 is a word processing application in the Microsoft Office suite. Word 2019 allows you to easily create professional-looking documents using various themes, visual designs, formatting tools, sharing features and more. Word 2019 has a feature called Learning Tools that can help make the text easier to read without making permanent changes to your document. Nowadays, it is used to type letters, make resumes, design advertisements, etc. To create any kind of document in Word 2019, it is important to open it. Let us learn to open Word 2019. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Scroll down and click on the Word 2019. Or, we can type Word 2019 in the search bar and press the Enter key. It will open the Word 2019 window on the monitor. Word opens and displays its start screen. In the left pane, use this area, Recent, to open an existing document. We can use this area to start a new document. Step 3. Click on the blank document. An empty document titled Document 1 will appear. Now, this area can be used to work. Exploring the Word 2019 environment. Let us explore the Word 2019 window. Quick Access Toolbar. Ribbon tab. Tell me what you want to do. Title bar. Program control buttons. File tab. Insertion point. Ribbon. Vertical scroll bar. Workspace. Status bar. View buttons. Zoom slider. Title bar. The title bar is the topmost bar. This bar section has window controls at the right end. A blank document opens with the default file name of Document 1 followed by the name of the program, Word. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is located to the left of the title bar. It contains frequently used commands like save, undo and redo. It can be customized using the image of Quick Access Toolbar drop-down menu. You can point to each small icon to view its screen tip. Ribbon. The ribbon contains all of the tools that you use to interact with your Microsoft Word file. It is located towards the top of the window underneath the title bar. The ribbon has a number of tabs, each of which contains buttons, which are organized into groups. Each tab offers shortcut buttons to common tasks. Each tab has a set of commands present in the shape of tool buttons related to an overall task to perform in a specific document. There are mainly two types of tabs on the ribbon, Active tab and Contextual tab. Active tab, by default, Word 2019 opens with the Home tab active on the ribbon. The Active tab has a white background and blue letters, and the Inactive tabs have the opposite. Contextual tab. Contextual tabs appear when certain objects, such as images and text boxes, are selected. They contain additional options for modifying the object. They stand out because they are darker in color and are located to the right of all the other tabs. Tech tips. Ribbon Display Options button provides options that will hide the ribbon from view. The main benefit to this is that it allows your document to take up more of the screen. When you locate and click on the Ribbon Display Options button, to the left of the window control buttons, three options appear. Workspace. Underneath the ribbon is the workspace. On the workspace, you can see the rulers and margin settings, the scroll bar on the right side of the screen, and the blinking cursor insertion point, which is where new input will display when entered. Status bar. The status bar is located below the document window area. The left end of the bar displays a variety of information about the document, such as the page number, how many total words are in the document, and errors if the document contains. View buttons. At the right end are shortcuts to the different views are available. Each view displays the document in a different way, allowing you to carry out various tasks more efficiently. Zoom slider. At the right end of the status bar is the zoom slider. This allows you to adjust how large the document is displayed on the screen. Creating a document and saving it. When Word 2019 opens, it will display a blank document ready for you to type in. You can see an insertion point just after creating a new document. The words that you type and the formatting that you use become your document. Let us learn to create a document. Step 1. Open Word 2019. You will see the blinking cursor on the workspace. Start typing in the document. As you start typing, the cursor will move towards the right side. Each document you create is temporary unless you save it as a file with a unique name and location. Let us learn to save the file. Step 1. Click on the File tab at the left corner of the Word 2019 screen. The Backstage view will appear. Step 2. Click on the Save button. The Save As window will appear on the screen. Step 3. Type the name of the document in the file name box. You can name the file as you want. Step 4. Click on the Save button. Your document will be saved. Your Word 2019 window will still be open, but notice the title bar will now show the file name Autonomous Vehicles. Tech tips. Always use Save As instead of Save the first time to save a file because you need to tell the computer where to put the file. Save assumes you've saved it before. CodeByte. OpenOffice Writer, Corel WordPerfect and Apple Pages are some of the other popular word processing software. Key takeaways. Word 2019 is a word processing application in the Microsoft Office suite. Word 2019 allows you to easily create professional-looking documents. A blank document opens with the default file name of Document 1. The Undo button is not located anywhere else in the application except for the Quick Access toolbar. There are mainly two types of tabs on the ribbon: Active tab and Contextual tab. Each view displays the document in a different way. The purpose of saving a file is to bring it back later.